Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode, we are laying out and fiberglassing the hull panels and the hull strake panels. These panels are the last of the smaller panels, if you can believe that. The next panels we move on to are going to be much bigger, much wider. So, without further ado, here's the video. Hope you enjoy.
Hey guys, so we are working on a couple more hull panels here. There's no fancy name for them, just hull panels. I was able to cut 3 16-inch strips here, so 1, 2, and 3. And on the end, because of the curve, I would cut these at an angle to accommodate, that helps push this up. And then these were some cut off pieces that actually worked out perfectly to make the full angle. Unfortunately, I was in a rush last night, or I don't even know, I must have just spaced, and this happened. And I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's a big dent and it's cracked right through. So tonight I will cut a piece and I'll just put a seam probably back here somewhere, and I'll still salvage what I have cut instead of wasting materials. So goes to show you, take your time and kind of pay attention a little more. Just a little reminder. Say hi.
Hi.
Alright, so in case you guys were wondering what all these were, these are lead ingots, and what we did was we just weighted down the joints to hold everything flush while we glued the seams together. And we do that, we just mix some resin with some cabasil, and we just glue them together like you would any wood joint. And then we let it dry. We sand it down flush, make sure there's no high spots, and then we fiberglass over the top. What time is it, honey? Coffee break. Because we run on Dunkin'. This could take a while.
Not cutting my fingers again.
Okay, are you ready? Got it. Up and over. Yep.
I know.
It'll probably take me 10 minutes.
Sorry, little friend.
Ugh.
How did that happen?
I don't know. Hold it. That's why I said hold it.
Hold on, sorry.
Got it?
Yeah.